ho, ho, ho. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to make some Lotus Santa cookies with some vegan nog. Also, don't get Khalifa Farms vegan nog. It's not good. I think, is it So Delicious or Silk that is good? Whatever. Either one of those is better than that. But we're going to make these. As per usual, for most of my vegan cookies, we're going to start with our flax egg, which is just a gelatinous mixture that's going to take place of our egg. So we have 2.5 tablespoons of warm water. Into that, I'm going to add half of a tablespoon of ground flax seed and whisk this together and let it hang out for like 5 minutes. While our flax egg is flax egging, we're going to start mixing our dry mixture. So in here I have, well, I'm using Bob's Red Mill, gluten-free flour, 1-to-1 replacement, but I'm going to tell you this right now. Well, hold on. Okay. So it's not 1-to-1. In my experience, Beach, it is not 1-to-1. So this is 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of the Bob's Red Mill gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour. Now, if you want to do it with regular flour, you're going to have to add 2 more tablespoons. So do a cup. You do a cup. Okay? I just trust a bitch. And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to mix that together. We're going to take half of a cup of vegan butter. I could not find, you guys know I love the Country Crock plant-based butter sticks, whatever. So the Smart Balance, listen, that bitch always comes through. I'm sorry I keep saying bitch, okay? I'm excited that Christmas is coming. So that's half a cup. We're also going to add half a cup of some natural peanut butter. That's the one I use. And then we're also going to do a half a cup of sugar and a half cup of brown sugar, all of the half cups, and just like a dash of vanilla. Like a half a teaspoon. And then we're going to beat it with like a beater. We're going to add our gelatinous flax egg and mix that up. Then we're going to start adding our flour, but I'm only going to do like half at a time, mix it, and then do the second half. Okay, so now we're going to load these bad boys up. I have 4 different things I'm going to add. You can add like whatever you want. I don't really care. You do you. I was just using like what I had in my cabinet. That's the other beauty of these cookies. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of pepitas. They're salted and roasted, I believe. 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips. They are Enjoy Life. I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of those candy chips from my vegan cosmic brownies. You guys should go watch that recipe, okay? And 1/4 cup of these gluten-free pretzels that I found at the grocery store that I did a quick little taste test over, well, my TikTok, but it might be in my reels here. I don't know, or my shorts. I don't know what they're called. And we're just gonna mix these together. We're gonna roll them into balls and then just like smoosh them down with a fork like you would regular peanut butter cookies, do you know what I mean? 325-degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 14 minutes and then let them sit for like 45 seconds to a minute, and then you can start taking them off gently and putting them on like a cooling rack, parchment paper, you know what I mean? Again, you can put whatever you want in these bad boys, like nuts, Oreos, vegan candies. Let's take a taste. Crunchy on the outside, chewy in the middle. Delicious.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.